Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to start lecture number 1 of unit number 6, class second year. This is unit number 6, and the first topic is about circle. Here we will discuss the concept of circle. So, we learn that what do you mean by a circle, or what is the definition of a circle. So, first of all, we consider its definition. What is circle? A set of all points in plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. So here if we have some points like that, this one we around these points like that. Okay, these points are there. If we collect all these points, the collection of all these points, and if their distance from a fixed point is same, for example, if from center to boundary, if the distance of one point lying at the center to its boundary is 5 centimeter, then any point who is covering the distance from center to the boundary should also be equal to 5 centimeter. And for in general, for all points taking distance from center to boundary, all the distances are same, then this is the circle. This is the definition of circle, that distance from center to boundary is uh, constant means same, a quantity that does not differ from person to person, either in quality or in quantity. This is called constant. So a set of all points in plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Now we define some other terms together with this definition of circle. So first definition is of circle, and second one is the center of circle. So center of circle is the point from where we are measuring the distance to its boundary. That fixed point is called center of the circle. Again, recall the definition of circle. Circle is a set of points in plane whose distance from a fixed point is constant. So that point, from where the distance from any point to its boundary is constant, this fixed point is called center of the circle, and the distance from center of the circle to its boundary, this is called radius of circle. And mostly these all are. Next is the definition of point circle. What is point circle? If the plane pass through the vertex of the cone, then the intersection is a single point or the point circle. In simple word, you can say that any circle having radius equal to 0 is called point circle. Next is the equation of circle. We will not prove it, but we just remind it. Look at this: x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. This equation, this equation is known as standard form of equation of circle. Here xy is any point on the boundary of circle, whereas h and k are the is the center of the circle. Whereas look at this r square, neglecting square, look at this r. This r is known as radius of the circle. Now, I think for MCQs, consider it. Here is equation of standard form of equation of circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. If we put h and k is equal to 0, it means h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. Then what is the name of this type of circle? So the answer is that this is equation of circle. This is equation of circle when the center is at origin. Look at this, uh, above x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square. If we put h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, we will get x square plus y square is equal to r square. Another MCQ's question is there. A circle having radius 0. This is called point circle. This is such type of circle. So we have already discussed about the circle. Next, we are going to study the definition of general form of equation of circle. But before this, consider the parametric equations. So, what are these equations? X is equals to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. These are called parametric equations of circle. In that case, the theta 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 is called parametric, and these two equations are called parametric equations of circle. But here, point to be noted is that x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r cos sin theta. These are not always the equation of circles. Uh, Rather than these two, we can put x is equals to r cos t, y is equal to r sin t. Uh, in place of r, here r is a constant, or we can replace this constant by alphabets A, B, or C. But here, point to be noted is that if we put it x is equal to a cos theta, then here it should be y is equal to a sin theta. If there is not a, then it will become the equation of ellipse, which we will discuss in the upcoming lectures. So next is the example number 1. Write the equation of circle with the center minus 3 5 and radius 7. So before starting its solution, let's look at the equation of circle. Now question is that when I use this equation of circle to solve the questions, here note that h and k are the center of the circle and r is called radius of the circle. And here the answer of our question that we have asked before is that when we are given the center of circle and radius of circle, then we can find the equation of circle. So two things, if we are given the center of circle and radius of the circle, then we can apply the standard form of equation of circle. Here center is minus 3 comma 5, is first value is h and second value is k. Here not xy, we denote the equation in the equation of circle. H and k are the center of the circle. And first point will be, first coordinate will be h and second will be k. Radius is 7. So as we know that the standard form of equation of circle is this: x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square. Putting values and open the square, we can combine the values like x square and y square together. After that, we separate x terms containing x and y terms. And next, this is constant and this is also constant, so put this constant to the left hand side. Here its sign is positive, now will be negative. So after calculation, this is our required equation of circle. And an important rule to identify whether the given equation of circle is that of circle or not. So its identification is that x coefficient of x square and y square should be 1, their degrees should be 2, and here is the plus sign, there is also plus sign, so this is an equation of circle.